Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the JBL Vibe and preparing your phone. Turn the speaker on now and check the LED. If it blinks, Bluetooth is active. If not, hold the power button until it does. On your phone, open Settings and enable Bluetooth so it can scan. Once done, keep the devices within 1 to 3 meters to avoid pairing failures. Make sure any other paired devices are off or out of range so the Vibe appears on the list. You'll now complete the pairing. In your phone's Bluetooth list, find and tap the entry labeled JBL Vibe. Pairing typically begins immediately. When asked, accept the pairing request. If a PIN appears, enter 0000. Once paired, set the phone's audio output to the Vibe so media routes correctly. If the speaker shows connected but no sound, check the app volume and the device's media volume. Keep both volumes moderate while you confirm playback. You're almost done. Play a track to verify sound quality and tweak volumes on both the JBL Vibe and your phone for clarity. If you don't hear audio, disconnect and reconnect, then restart both devices. When pairing repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset on the Vibe. Hold the designated buttons until LEDs indicate reset, then repair. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear old Bluetooth pairings on your phone. Lingering entries often block new connections, and removing them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.